Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a DIY Trinket Dish, Urban Outfitters, home decor DIY video. So let's get started. So what you are going to need for this video is some clay. I got this Crayola Marble Magic clay in white here, but it comes in 22 colors, so you can get any of those 22 colors that you want, and you can do this. And you can also use some paint, acrylic paint, if you don't have any of those 22 colors, just have white like me. So I'll also teach you how to decorate it and make it look like it's from Urban Outfitters, because that's the important part right there, that you make it look like it's from Urban Outfitters. So let's get on to the DIY. So the first thing you are going to need to do is, you also need some parchment paper. And the first thing we're going to do is take your clay, and you want a good amount of it, let's say like a handful, and we're going to roll it out and we roll it into a ball, not roll it out, not yet. So we roll into a ball, and then we are going to place it on a table, a flat surface, and then we are going to take our parchment paper, put it over I'm gonna move you back. Put it over the clay. Why did that take so long for me to say? And I moved you back because I need more space. And you need a rolling pin. And just gonna roll it out. And the reason we put the parchment paper on top of the clay is because we don't want it to stick to the rolling pin. And you just want to roll it out till you get a 1 inch thick, about 1 inch thick rolled out shape. It doesn't really matter what shape it is yet. And I have a finished product here if you want to see how I messed up. Well, I didn't mess up on the video before, but I looked like trash before. So I am redoing the video, and this is how it came out, if you want to know. I did like this cheetah print, but we're going to do a different print. And the next thing you're going to need is a cookie cutter or a bowl to cut out into your shape. So I was thinking of doing like another circle, because that's plain, basic. You can make it cute, so I'm just going to do a circle. So I'm going to go get a round object and be right back. So after you've got your circle of clay that you've cut out, it should be about like ½ inch thick, I'd say. And you just want to take a small bowl, dessert bowl, ice cream bowl, whatever you want to call it, and you want to take the clay and you want to place it over, and you just want to mold it kind of, or let it mold itself around the bowl, the bottom part of the bowl. Or you could also do this. You could lay the clay inside of the bowl like this, but it's easier just lay it on top. And yeah, this is how it should look. And then you want it to dry for like 24 hours or so, and it should become hard, and we can decorate it together, and I'll see you guys then. So after you cut out your circle, it should be like thick. You just need a little bowl, like an ice cream bowl, small bowl, and you are going to take it and place it on top of the bowl. You just kind of want to make sure it's all around the bowl, and just want to leave it like that to dry for a few hours and till it's hard, and then it should be like this. Yeah. Hey guys, so it's the next day and the clay is dry. And now we are going to decorate it. And I was just thinking of doing the same thing I did for the other one that I made, and just a cheetah print, but this one's kind of like black and like brown, more like a normal cheetah print, but I want to be colorful and do like, I have this blue color here, it's called Phthalo blue, let's just call it that. How do you even say that? It's Phthalo blue, let's just call it that. Phthalo blue, and this is all acrylic paint. You can use any acrylic paint, this is just what I had. Phthalo green, and some permanent rose. So maybe, please say you didn't get that on me. Okay, so first thing we are going to do is paint the whole thing pink, in this pink color. So I just have this square brush right here, and I'm just going to paint this whole thing pink and get back to you guys. So thank you guys for watching, and I also have an important message, so keep listening. So follow me on all of my social medias, because I'm going to start posting twice a week all summer long. So I'm going to start posting on certain days. So I'm going to start posting on Wednesdays and Sundays. So subscribe, put your notification bell on, like this video, share this video, and yeah. Okay, so this is a message that I want to give you guys. So with my YouTube channel, I know it's called Shreya DIY, but I don't want to do like creative DIY videos like all the time, like Wednesday and Sunday, but I want to like start doing other stuff, like fashion videos, comedy videos, and like skits and stuff. So yeah, and I just want to, like, I might change my name, the name of my YouTube channel, because I'm not really sure yet, but I want to start doing like more funny videos, because I feel like that's kind of who I am, very outgoing, I'd like to think that I'm funny, outgoing, confident person, and yeah, that's what I want to do. And so with the like funny videos, I just want to say that that's what I want to do with this YouTube channel, like fashion, maybe like vlogs here and there, and yeah, just more positivity out through this YouTube channel. So thank you guys for watching, and bye!